Hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to get a custom mouse pointer. So let's get started. First open up any internet browser. Go to Google and type in www.rwdesigner.com. I will put link in description. Now go to Gallery. Click on Cursors. Here you can find a list with a bunch of mouse icons. If you want, you can also use search bar to search any mouse icons you want. Let's search for memes. Click on any memes files. For now I am just gonna click troll face. Now go ahead and press download button. Click it with your left mouse button and drag it into your desktop. That's basically it. You can download any icons you want. Now go to search bar at the bottom or press window key. Just type in settings. As you are in Windows setting, go to devices. Click on mouse. Under related settings you can see two options. Click on additional mouse options. It will open another window that says mouse properties. Now click on pointers. There you have list of default pointers that you can choose. But for now just press on browse. Now simply click on mouse pointer that you have downloaded. Press open. As you can see, normal default pointer has been replaced by new pointer. Now click on apply. There you have it. Your very own custom mouse pointer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. If yes, drop a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more.